Student, I am going to start a revision session of chapter Matter in Our Surrounding from Chemistry chapter. Firstly, matter is, what is matter? Matter is anything which occupies space and having mass. Then classification of matter. On the basis of physical state, matter is classified into solid, liquid and gases. And on the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified into pure substance and mixtures. Pure substance are of two types, element and compound, and mixture are of two types, heterogeneous and homogeneous. Next one is important features of particles of matter. There are following features of particles of matter which are as follows. Number one is particles of matter are very small. Second one is they have interparticles space between them. Third one is the particles of matter are continuously moving in space. Fourth one is the particles of matter attract with each other. In the above activity, it is clear that the particles of matter have a space between them. Next experiment is the particles of matter are very small. To complete this activity, first of all we take 2-3 crystal of potassium permanganate in 100 ml of water in a beaker and repeat it continuously 4 to 5 times. Then lastly we find that the color of potassium permanganate faint. That is it is clear that the color of potassium permanganate faint. This will indicate that the particles of matter are very tiny. Next one is fusion and melting. When a solid is heated, the particles begin to vibrate with greater speed and begin to move more freely. Then at a particular temperature, the solid melts and changes into vapor. This process of melting is also known as fusion. Next one is latent heat of fusion. The amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of a solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure at its melting point is called latent heat of fusion. Next one is boiling. When a liquid is heated, its particles begin to move even faster. Then at a particular temperature, the liquid begins to boil and changes into gases, that is vapor. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling is called its boiling point. The latent heat of vaporization, the amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of a liquid into gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point is called the latent heat of vaporization. Next one is sublimation. The change of a state directly from solid to gas or from gas to solid is called sublimation. As for example, if solid camphor or ammonium chloride is heated, it changes into vapor. If the vapor are cooled, it again changes into solid. This phenomena is known as sublimation. Next one is interconversion of three states of matter. The state of matter are interconvertible. The state of matter can be changed by changing the temperature or pressure. If solid changes into gas, then the process is known as sublimation. If gas changes into solid, this process is known as sublimation again. And if solid changes into liquid, this process is known as fusion. And if liquid changes into solid, this is called solidifications. If gas changes into liquid, this is called condensation. If liquid changes into gas, this is called vaporization. Now next topic is evaporation. The change of a liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Evaporation is a surface phenomena. Particles from the surface gain enough energy to overcome the force of attractions and changes to vapor state. There is important factor affecting evaporations are as follows. The increase in surface area, the rate of evaporation. Increase in temperature, the increase in rate of evaporation. Increase in humidity, there is decrease the rate of evaporation. Increase in wind speed, the increase the rate of evaporations also. Again, this is the important topic, that is evaporation causes cooling. This is when a liquid evaporates, the particles of the liquid absorb heat from the surrounding and evaporate. So the surrounding becomes cold. As for example, during summer we sweat more because during evaporations the sweat absorb heat from our body, making the body cool.